Hi, this is Suzanne from EFT-scripts.com. And I want you to imagine for a moment a nice energy that would make you feel better. Just a positive EFT tapping this time. Maybe somewhere in nature, like an alpine forest or a beautiful sunset or a calm beach, or maybe surfing on a beach, or looking up at the clouds on a nice summer's day, or being on an imaginary fantasy beautiful paradise island where all the good things happen for you. Whenever I say breathe in, imagine yourself in this wonderful place in nature. And whenever I say breathe out, really feel it. Be there. Smell that beautiful, calm nature smell. Hear those amazing, peaceful nature sounds. See the beautiful nature all around you. Let's start. And tap, tap, tap here on top of the head with me. And breathe it in. Breathe it out to every cell in your body, every part of your being. And on the eyebrow, tap, 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 tap. Breathe in this beautiful place in nature. Fill your lungs with it. And breathe it out to every part of your mind, body, and spirit. Feel it, see it, hear it, sense it. Enjoy it. And on the side of the eye, tap, 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 tap. Breathe in that wonderful place in nature. Breathe it in, fill your lungs with it. Breathe it out to every part of your mind, body, and soul. Enjoy it, flow with it. And when you're ready, under the eye, breathe in that beautiful place in nature. Breathe it in, fill your lungs with it. Breathe it out to every part of your mind, body, and soul. Very good. And tap, tap, tap here under the nose. Breathe in that beautiful place in nature. As you breathe it in, start to really see yourself there. As you breathe it out, listen to all those calm nature sounds. Feel it, flow with it, be there, enjoy it. Very good. Tap, tap, tap here on the chin. Breathe in this wonderful place in nature. This is your special place. Breathe it out to every part of your being, mind, body, and soul. Enjoy it. Lastly, tap, tap, tap here on the collarbone, just under the neck. Breathe it in. Breathe it out to every cell in your body. Every part of your mind, body, and soul is there, enjoying it, flowing with it, enjoying this beautiful energy. And finally, put your hands on your heart chakra and take a deep breath in. And exhale. Enjoy. And if you have any video requests, just ask me. If you're watching this on YouTube, just ask me in the comments. If you're watching it anywhere else, just ask me in the comments wherever they are. And gosh, I am so happy you can peel me off the ceiling. I don't even know how to say goodbye, but see you later.